Hi everyone, this is the fourth video of the Reactjs playlist, and in today's video I'm going to cover what is JSX and what is the use of fragment. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to use the same project as we created in the previous video, and here under the source folder I have removed all the extra files. I just keep the two files, which is index.js file with a pretty clean code, and the app.js file. Under the app.js file I just wrote the one data element with the h1 tag. Okay, so see the output. Hello. Thing was, first, what is a JSX? So JSX is nothing but it allows us to write HTML plus JavaScript. Okay, so just keep in mind for a JSX that whatever we're going to write into the return statement, okay, under the return statement. So this is the parenthesis of the return statement. Let me remove this first. Okay, so this is the parenthesis of the return statement, and whatever we're going to write under this parenthesis, that will going to act as our JSX. So on the later on video you will get that how we can write HTML plus JS. Okay, so for now we are just understanding the things by just writing a simple HTML. Okay, remember these things for a JSX while you writing the JSX. Okay, this step is act as a parent element. Okay, so JSX won't allow a two parent elements. When we hover on it, it will show us that JSX expression must have one element. Okay, so that means JSX only supports one parent element. Okay, what does that mean? See, this is one parent element, so whatever we want to write, we need to write under that parent element only. See, like this, it won't gives us the error. But if I put this outside the parent element, it gives us an error like this. Okay, so this need to be keep in mind that whatever we're going to write into JSX, so we need to cover all our elements into the parent element. Okay, but the thing was, every time that is not suitable for us to use the div as a parent element. Okay, so there the fragment come into the picture, that this blank bracket called a fragment. So this is called a fragment, and under the fragment you can write anything. There is no restriction. See, even if I put this p element outside this div element, still it will work. See, but if I remove this fragment element, it won't work because JSX not able to find any parent element. Okay, so that's why we give the parent element as a fragment. So the blank, but the blank bracket, which is called a fragment. So another way we can write a react dot fragment like this. So same, we need to close here like this. We need to keep the things very simple and clean. So use this fragment with a blank, the bracket. So yeah, this is about the JSX and a fragment. So the fragment is most we will going to use in our later videos, or whenever we going to create our component. Thank you so much for now. Keep tuned for